There are many products available to choose car Bluetooth, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car Bluetooth from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth Car Adapter. If you want flexibility and many features in one device, the Nulaxy KM18 is a great choice. It has a large 1.44-inch LCD display that shows call details, music info, and car battery voltage clearly. The adapter has a flexible gooseneck, so you can adjust its position for the best view and easy access. This is especially useful if your car has a tricky dashboard layout. With Bluetooth version 5.0 technology, it offers a stable and fast connection, reducing the chance of disconnections during travel. The sound quality is generally good, but it can change due to factors like FM signal strength and interference. It has noise cancellation for calls, which helps reduce background noise. However, some users notice slight static during music playback when the signal is weak. Number 2. LENCENT Bluetooth Car Adapter. Up next, the LENCENT FM transmitter is known for its dual USB charging ports, allowing you to charge two devices at once, perfect for today's gadget-heavy lifestyles. A highlight of this adapter is its ability to stream high-quality music. Using CVC technology, it reduces noise and wind interference, ensuring clear sound for both music and calls. This makes your drive more pleasant and conversations easier to hear. The adapter also lets you use voice navigation from your phone's apps, a must-have for drivers who rely on GPS directions. Plus, it has a handy feature that detects your car's battery voltage, alerting you to potential startup issues and helping you stay prepared. Number 3. IMDEN Bluetooth Car Adapter. The IMDEN QC 3.0 BT Bluetooth Car Adapter takes the first place on this list of the best Bluetooth car adapters for its excellent features. It has a quick charge 3.0 port, which charges your devices quickly while you drive. Pairing it with any Bluetooth-enabled smartphone is easy, making it very user-friendly. This adapter has good audio performance. It uses CVC technology to reduce noise, ensuring clear calls and music without background noise. You can play music from various sources like Bluetooth or USB flash drives, and it supports many audio files including MP3 and WMA formats. However, the device has some downsides. While it has a strong build, some users report it becomes less durable with heavy use, especially in extreme temperatures. Additionally, the volume output may need adjustment to match some users' preferences as it can be lower compared to direct AUX connections. Number 4. Anker Bluetooth Car Adapter. The Anker Rove Bluetooth Car Adapter is one of the best options for those who want the latest tech and fast charging for their devices. It has Anker's PowerIQ 3.0 technology, which charges mobile devices quickly. One impressive feature is its automatic tuning. With a simple tap, it finds unoccupied FM frequencies, making setup easy. This is helpful for travelers who drive through different areas with varying radio frequencies. Bluetooth 5.0 provides a strong and stable connection for streaming music and making calls, reducing interruptions from poor connectivity. The built-in noise cancellation improves call clarity by blocking out road and wind noise, which is important for clear communication. Number 5. UGREEN Bluetooth Car Adapter. The UGREEN 5.3 AUX Bluetooth Car Adapter is a compact and efficient solution for those who prefer a minimalistic approach to car audio enhancements. Using the latest Bluetooth 5.3 tech, it gives you a strong connection, fast speeds, and uses less power. This adapter is perfect if you want an easy audio connection. It makes calls sound clear and music sound like CDs, thanks to its smart noise reduction. Plus, its microphone picks up your voice well for hands-free calls. When it comes to its battery life, this adapter is impressive. It lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge. Charging is quick and easy with the included Type-C cable. You can also connect it to 2 devices at once. This allows you to switch between music and calls smoothly, which is useful when you have passengers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.